Hello friends, today I am going to make potato paneer palak gravy. The ingredients required are palak 1 big bunch, onion and tomato 3 to 4 cut into big pieces, 2 to 3 green chilies according to your taste, paneer, I have fried the paneer, potato, 3 to 4 potatoes, raw potatoes, peel the skin and keep it ready, jeera 1 teaspoon, oil to fry, garam masala 2 teaspoon, salt to taste, turmeric powder and kasuri methi leaves. Let's start making the gravy. This is a very simple and easy way to make the palak gravy. I have heated a pressure cooker. You need a pressure cooker to make this. I have heated the cooker. Pour 2 to 3 teaspoon of oil. Add the jeera seeds. Add the cut onions, tomatoes and green chilies. Let it just fry for a minute since it will get cooked later in the cooker. No need to keep it for a long time. After a minute, add turmeric powder, salt, add the garam masala, mix it well for a few more seconds. You need not fry the onion and tomatoes because we are going to cook it. Now I have washed the palak leaves. Add the palak. Now I have cut the potatoes into halves. So just put the potatoes also inside the cooker. Maybe you can put the potatoes down so it will get cooked. Now add water. No need to add too much of water. Add just enough water. Maybe 2 to 3 cups of water will be enough. And now you can close the cooker. Close the cooker and put the weight. You need to just leave it for 2 whistles, then you can switch off the gas. Since I have added the raw potatoes, I have left for 2 whistles. Even 1 whistle will be enough. Now 2 whistles I have left. I switched and the pressure has gone. Now I am removing the lid. Now just remove the water from the cooker. Only the water. Drain off the entire water from the cooker. Drain off the entire water so that it will get cooled fast. Now add the contents in a big bowl. After transferring the remaining contents in a bigger bowl, remove the potatoes. Remove off all the potatoes. I have separated the potatoes, which we will cut it into smaller pieces and put it at the end. Now we can To make it cool fast, you can transfer it into two different bowls. and I'm going to allow it to cool and then grind it. You can keep it under the fan and cool it. Now the vegetables have cooled down. Since I'm making a large quantity, I have taken into 2 bowls to make it cool faster. Now the water which we have drained, we should keep it for later use. Don't throw it away. Now put the cooled mixture in a mixer and grind it. Don't grind it into a smooth paste. Little coarsely you can grind it. Now I have ground the vegetables into a paste like this. Now switch on you can use the same cooker to make the finish of the gravy. Switch on the stove. Pour the gravy inside the cooker. You can use the water which we have drained for all the purpose. We like the gravy to be little more thin, so I am adding little more water. If you want it to be thick, no need to add too much of water. Let it get cooked. Add the kasuri methi leaves. Add the kasuri methi leaves, the potato pieces. When you add potatoes, the gravy will thicken. So again you can add water, the drained water later. Those who don't want to add paneer, you can make only with potato. I am adding both, or you can omit the potato and add paneer alone. You can check for salt, and if you need, add little more salt. Let the gravy get cooked for 3 to 4 minutes. Now it has started to boil well. Add a tablespoon of butter. Allow it to cook for a few more seconds. And then you can switch off the flame. Potato paneer palak gravy is ready to be served with hot rotis. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Rasa Taste and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you.